welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and I truly appreciate that you clicked on this video. So for today's video, I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So my box came a little dinged up when I got in the mail, but that's okay because all of my products are fine. So how I like to do my Boxycharms when I'm unboxing them is I like to go through the box and show you each part that I get and tell you the prices of them, and then I like to use them right in front of your very eyes. So let's get right into this video. The theme for this month's Boxycharm is this. This is Boxycharm El Natural. So the first thing I see here on my list is by the brand Voluminous. This is a superfood vital veggie mask and this is $35. The next thing I see here in my box is by Rimmel London. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and it's this beautiful palette that you see here. It has this, I guess, fake type of wood, and then it has this beautiful detail, and then inside has this really large mirror as well as the eyeshadows. So it's just your typical nude palette or natural palette with just a pop of blue, which is something we've seen before, but I'm still excited to try this out. And this is $32. The next thing I see here on my list is a Gaia 3-piece brush set by the brand Luxie. So it comes in this paper kind of packaging. Typically these brushes will come in some kind of plastic packaging, but this time they came in paper, and even the wood detail, there's some wood detail where you can tell that this is actual wood, and I like it. It's very woodsy. It just reminds me of being like in the woods or something. So the first brush I see here is a 246 precision crease brush, which I would not typically use this in the crease, so I don't know why they would call that. I mean, this could be something for the crease. This is a 250 large eye blending brush, so this is really nice. And this big papa right here is a 510 foundation brush. So I would typically use a brush like this is to, if you have foundation, you could put some in the back of your hand, you could put some on this, and then you can apply it, and then with another brush you can blend it all out. I wouldn't necessarily use this to actually blend out foundation just using this brush, but I would also use this for a mask, which is what I plan on doing today. So that brush set is $30. So the next thing I see here on my list is by the brand Luna by Luna, and I have the lip gloss in Mars. So this is what it looks like. It says beautiful stars, so gorgeous, and it is in fact a lip gloss. So let me just swatch it for you. So it doesn't have a particular scent, and it's very nude. As you can see, it's a very nude see-through, or more like a nude mauve type of shade. It's very unique. I like it. So that's interesting. I like this. And this is $18. So the next thing I see in here is this little coupon sheet. So basically you can go to Ulta, and you can go to the skin bar at Ulta, and you can get a facial for $10, and you can pick between either an Insta Glow or an Insta Firm, and you can get a facial for $10 at Ulta, which is nice. That's really cool. So the next thing I see here is the last thing in here. This is by the brand Appeal. So this is a brownish type of liner. So basically you could use this to line or define your eyes, or you can line your lips with this. So this is a multitask type of thing, which is, I love things like this because it's really great. And so there's everything. Oh, and that was $21. So let's get right into using the products. Oh, so I have a little thing here. Peel that off. Oh wow, this stuff smells earthy. So I'm just gonna take a bit of this, put it here in the back of my hand. And now I'm just gonna take this brush, this is very soft, and I'm just going to apply this with my brush. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I will remove this after 10 minutes. Okay, so right off the bat, I feel that my face feels really smoother. It feels really nice and hydrated. It just feels really nice. And my redness that I had before looks like it's calmed down a bit. So, I mean, okay, I like it. I think it's nice. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyes off camera, and I used this Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow primer. I don't really like it all that much. I only keep it around because I really am trying to just finish it up. But if I find another new one that I like, I'll probably just get rid of it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette. So let's get right into it. So I did the rest of my makeup off of camera, so if you want to know the products that I use, they will be down below in the description bar down below. So the last two items that I have to show you are this Appeal lip liner eyeliner thing and this lip gloss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with this and then use the lip gloss. Everything in my Boxycharm. Now I'm just going to give some final thoughts. Do I feel this box is worth your money this month? I'm going to lean towards yes, because I really liked a lot of the products that I use. I really love this face mask. I really love this eyeshadow palette. I was actually really surprised when I used it. I didn't think the eyeshadows were going to be pigmented at all, and as you can see, yes they are, and a little goes a long way with these things. I had to be very careful when I was creating this halo eye look because a little bit just like went everywhere, so you have to be very, very careful when you're using it. So I'm really surprised at that eyeshadow palette. I really liked it. I really love that they gave us an eyeliner that can also be a lip liner. And I love that. I love when you can have multitasking makeup products, and I would love to see more of this in a Boxycharms, because I can't tell you how many times in the morning when I'm running late, I do not have time to grab products for each thing and apply on my face. I love when I could be versatile and just use a product for many, many things, and I'm glad that this is one of them. So this is definitely going to be in my everyday use kit that I use to get ready in the morning. I love this lip gloss. I love that it's a different type of shade. It's not your typical pink or red or whatever. I love that it's a mauve color and that it's cute packaging too, like little stars, and I just love getting unique things in my Boxycharm. The only thing bad about this is, as I'm tasting this, and it doesn't have that great of a scent. I can taste it, and it's like a plasticky taste. That's the only downfall, but other than that, I love the color, I love the packaging. I think it's really, really cute. These brushes are really nice. The only problem I have with these brushes is that this brush right here is not as firm as I would like it to be, because when I was using this to blend out my crease, when I was doing my crease color, it really didn't do much for me. But when I was applying it under my eyebrow, it did okay there. I mean, I have to play with this brush a little bit some more because I feel like I really can get great use out of this. I just don't want to write this brush off right away because this was the first time I was using it. This brush right here, it's nice for packing on color in the inner corner. If you have eyelids like me, hooded eyelids, you can't just use a big brush for each sides of your eyes. You actually have to use a smaller brush to get, if you want to do a halo eye. I would not use this for the crease. This was great to, you know, pack the color in there and blend out, but I mean, if you're trying to actually blend this in your crease, it's not gonna work. I like this brush, but I don't know if I will further use this brush for mask. I don't think this was a good brush that I chose for mask. I probably should have just used a liquid foundation and used this brush with that. Ahead and further play with this and see what else I can get good use out of it. And last but very not least, my favorite thing is the mask. I thought this mask was really great. It left my face soft and just hydrated and just so nice that it's just really good. These are one of those face masks that when your face is going through something, like when the weather changes, for me in the winter time, even though I have an oily face, because it's so cold outside and the air is so dry, my face will actually dry out. So it's nice to know that I'll have a mask like this to bring that moisture back in. And I just love face masks that are like this. And even though it smells very earthy and very minty, I still love the way how it made my skin feel. And I will continue using this, and I'll probably even go on to purchase things. And I'm even now wondering if I should even go get that $10 facial, because I'm just wondering about it now. It's just a little curious. So that is the end of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could be so kind, please give this video a thumbs up, press that notification bell so you could be notified each and every single time that I upload. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and big hugs from me to you.